Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine using an easy method. Creatine is a widely used supplement known for boosting muscle growth and improving exercise performance. It's a fantastic way to enhance your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. The good news is, incorporating it into your daily routine is simpler than you might think, and we'll walk through the steps together. To kickstart your creatine journey, many people opt for a loading phase. This helps to rapidly fill your muscle creatine stores. During this phase, you'll take about 20 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days. It's best to divide this into 4 separate 5-gram servings throughout the day to help with absorption and minimize any potential discomfort. After your loading phase, you'll move into the maintenance phase to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. This is much simpler, requiring just 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily. You can easily mix this powder into water, your favorite juice, or even a post-workout protein shake. Consistency is more important than the exact timing, so find what works best for your routine. For the best results with creatine, remember to stay well hydrated, aiming for at least 3 liters of water daily. Consistency is truly key. Taking your creatine every day, even on rest days, helps maintain those saturated muscle stores. Also, consider taking it with a meal containing carbohydrates to enhance absorption. And hey, while you're optimizing your routine, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.